Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up with bullion knot rose making embroidery work. So let's quickly start with this project. I'd be using an anchor or the dolly thread. This will have 6 strands. Pull the needle from underneath to top and insert the needle from the same hole with a little gap and start winding it. I'm giving a wrap of 12 rounds. Slowly pull the needle. It's a medium size needle. Hold the wraps firmly and pull the thread. Again insert back in the same hole. Firstly, I'll be preparing the bud in the center to make the rose. Later, I'll make the petals. The same way we have to follow for each and every petal. See how much length of the bud you want to prepare, decide it, and insert the needle like this. Place the needle on the index finger and start wrapping the thread. It's of 12 rounds. Slowly pull the thread, holding the wraps properly, and insert the needle back in the same hole. And this is how the center of the rose petal would look. That means bud. Now to this bud we have to prepare the petals. So place the needle slantingly. This time 20 wraps I'd be taking. Pull the needle out and insert the needle in the same first hole. Like this we have to make all the petals all around this bud. Again from the center of this first petal, place it slantingly the needle and wrap. Now locate the center, place it slantingly to make the third petal. If you think the wraps are tight, slowly twist it in anti-clock direction for the loose wraps. You can see here. Like this we'll get 8 to 9 petals all around this bud. You can also make another round of petals for the bigger size of rose. I'm done with the bullion knot rose. Now I'm using green color anchor thread for the stem stitch. Just place it slantingly and pull the needle. Now again place it slantingly, and this time the needle should be pulled from the first hole. Again for the third, pull it from the second hole. You can see here. Ensure to put the needle slantingly. This is how we have to give the stem stitch. Now I'd be giving lazy daisy stitch for the leaves. It's just simple. Make a chain loop and pull the needle from the top. Now I'd be preparing the buds. For that I'd be giving 2 bullion knots here. With the green color, place it slantingly, wrap 8 rounds. Pull the needle out and insert in the same first hole. Again place the needle slantingly. Take 8 rounds wrap. The same way I'll prepare the bud here with the 3 petals. So friends, that's all for now. Try this type of decorative stitches like the booties on the saris or the long dresses for the home decor projects. This will look simple and so easy to do. Try it. If you like this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also leave your valuable feedback, which really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe and stay tuned. See you all. Bye for now.